Okay, just let me enable the screen sharing. Okay. Now share the screen and show me what we have done last day. Okay. I think we are continuing the Angular, right?
Right, right. We are continuing the Angular portion.
Okay, Angular front-end framework. Okay, sure. Okay, now open the VS Code. Hmm. Share, open the VS Code. So last day we have done the two-way data binding, and I think one-way data binding also done. Hmm.
Actually, last we are
Okay.
done two-way data binding.
Data binding done. Now one-way data binding also done, I think.
Yeah, one way
Okay.
is done.
Okay, so next topic, we just wait, let me see. I think we don't do the Angular component and routing. I think.
Yeah, we don't do.
Mhm. The component and routing. Okay, so Angular component and routing I am sharing in the group.
Okay.
I'm sharing in the WhatsApp group that zip file.
What is the topic name?
Topic name is Angular component and routing. Let me open the file. Component and routing. Yes. Mhm. Now I am sharing in the WhatsApp. Yeah, just see in the WhatsApp. I have already sent.
Yeah, it's loading.
Hmm. Yeah, okay, now we can download. Okay, share. Okay, now go to the downloads. Extract that zip. Okay. Okay, what is Angular? Okay, let it stop sharing on the. I am just showing you the website. Let it
Okay.
extract.
It is going on that.
Let it
Extract.
extract. Okay, stop sharing. Okay, now stop this. Yeah. Now, once. Okay, so here actually, suppose I am giving you one example of one site. Suppose this is IRCTC. In this IRCTC site, we have what are the components in a website? In a website, this is the header actually. Inside the header, actually there are this is the component train, buses. Inside the nav bar or the navigation bar, this is the component buses, flight, hotels, holidays, loyalty, meals, promotion, and more. So these are the components, and these are the sub-components as you can see. These are the sub-components, and these are the sub-components. These are the sub-components. So all the sub-components is there. So main component is what? Main component is this. These things are the main components. And what is routing? Routing means suppose you are in this URL you are. In the moment I'm clicking the bus, you go to the irctc.co.in bus site. From this URL, you go to this URL. So from this to this URL, that is called routing. That is called route. Means I am changing my path to one path to another path. That is called routing. That is called
What can
routing.
you repeat again?
Yes, yes. Suppose I am, this is my URL.
Yeah.
Actually, this is my IRCTC URL. Suppose I am going to the buses. So when in the moment I'm going to the buses, then it will
Different
go to
URL.
this URL, different URL. So from one URL, we're going jump to the different URL.
Yeah.
That migration is called routing.
Routing. Okay.
That migration is called routing, and this is the components. Suppose I'm going
Yeah.
to
Buses,
flights, I'm
flight,
going to
hotel,
hotels.
all are
Yes, yes.
component.
All are the components. And in the moment you clicking that component and going to the another URL, that is called routing.
Routing. Okay.
That is called routing. Okay, so here actually, okay, now I am give another. Suppose our an Angular site. Suppose okay. Suppose this is a total site made by Angular. In that site, these are the components: home, company, services, job support, industry. These are the component: portfolio, partners, careers, gallery, contact us. These are the component, and these are the sub components actually. And in the moment I am going to the services. Within this page, I am coming to another page. But in the IRCTC side, I am we have taken the two tabs. But here actually, this page is made by Angular. If you can go any component, go to jobs and go to industry, go to portfolio, go to analytics, partners. So whatever, go to gallery. So whatever the things are actually there, components. So these are the actually components and these are the routing. Suppose I am coming to the home. This is my home URL. Now I am coming to the company about us URL. This is called routing. And all the components are actually opening within this page. There is no another tab is required. Within this tab, within one tab, it is opening all the things, all the pages and all the components. Okay, so this is the components and routing. That's why Angular is called single page application framework. You can note it down also.
Single page.
Hmm. That's why it is called. That's why Angular is called the single page application framework.
Single page.
Application framework.
Mm, can you
Hmm.
repeat again? Definition.
Yeah. That's why Angular is called single page application framework.
Mm,
Because why it is called single page application framework? Because if you open all the components within one tab, it will open all the components, all the necessary pages.
Component within one tab.
Within one tab, it will open all the necessary pages, web pages. That's why it is called single page application framework.
If you open all the component within one tab, it will open necessary pages.
Okay, tell me again.
Means if you open all the component within one tab, it will open necessary web pages. That's why
Yes.
it's called.
Yeah, it will open within one tab. It does not need another tab. That's why it is called single page application framework. It is called or
All the component open within one tab.
yes, yes. Okay, now I'm stop sharing. Now you share the screen.
60% only now.
Okay. Okay, one another very good little bit theory. You can note it down also.
Okay.
Yes. That is the I am sharing the chat. See, this is the little bit theory about the Angular routing.
Okay.
It is from the Angular official website that I have, I think, shared. You have 8 GB, right? RAM.
Yeah, 8 GB.
Okay.
8 GB and Core i7.
Okay. Okay.
I think done.
Hmm. And you have any antivirus?
No, I don't. Actually, yeah, I have a Windows Defender only.
Okay. Okay.
Actually, Windows is paid version window.
Okay. This is the original Windows.
Yeah, original window.
Okay. Hmm.
Yeah, load it.
Hmm.
What I do?
Yeah. Now go to the file.
Then
Open
open
folder.
folder.
Open folder.
Okay.
Yeah. Now go to that folder.
Okay.
Okay. It is copying, and now open the VS Code. New open folder. Go to that file location. Yes. Now select. Select folder. Okay. And now give me control. Here actually. Hmm. 1 minute. Where is the all the files actually not coming? Okay, 1 minute. Mhm. Yeah, actually, all the files is not come, has not come actually. Okay, just I am sharing the screen. I am again give you the. Stop the screen sharing. Okay. Let me. Okay, so this is the Angular component and routing. As you can see, Angular component item here. Actually, these files are missing in your system. I don't think I. Okay, so first of all, this is the SRC file.
I think it is loading. Loading means copy is complete copy is not done. Okay, it's copying. I think
Okay,
50% is completed.
okay, okay,
That's right.
okay. That's okay. No problem. So okay, so inside the SRC we have app. Inside the app we have about us, body, contact us, footer, gallery, header, help, number, product, and service. The all the seven and two, all the 10 components actually we have. We have the 10 components. How we
Yeah.
can create the component? So first of all, how we can create the component? First of all, terminal. Go to new terminal. Then suppose if you want to add any new component, ngg c C for component, NGGC. Suppose if you want to add feedback. Okay, so NGGC feedback and then enter. Okay. Okay. Now NGGC feedback. Okay. Here one feedback is there. It is already created. Inside one, there are 4 files: CSS file, HTML file, spec.tsp, and component.tsp. So we just need to concentrate on 3 files: CSS, HTML, and component.tsp. These 3 files we just need to concentrate. Okay, so here I'm removing this file because we don't need this. I'm just showing you how to create the component. Okay, so first of all, we come to the app component.html. Inside the app component HTML, we have three things: header, navbar, and footer. App header, app navbar, starting tag, ending tag, and tr and td. We are just making one table. And here, inside the tr and td, tr means table row, td means table data. And app footer, starting tag, ending tag, and then table tag end. This is the app component HTML. Okay. Now come to the CSS. Inside the CSS, we are taking the h1 as a ID, then background color brown. We are just styling something and we are giving it brown. And okay, actually here is no node modules is there. So that's why the problem is coming. No node modules in there. So we need to install the node modules. So for installing the node modules, we just need to add npm I and then enter. I means install and npm means node package manager. That is called npm. You note it down. npm means node package manager.
What package? Management
Manager.
manager. Okay.
Just wait for some time. It is installing.
Installation is done. Sorry, copy.
Okay. Okay, I am understanding. Then I will set up the project in your system.
Okay.
Mm. Actually, installing the node modules, that's if you install the node modules, then actually the file size, the total project file size actually is very big actually. That's why when we send anyone to that project, then we need to delete the node modules file.
Okay.
That is the very big actually. Okay, now load modules has been installed. First of all, run this. ng sub, then enter. Okay, now it is compiled successfully. So my project is actually fine running. Okay, so now actually we have done HTML, we have done also CSS. Now we come to the app component.ts. Inside the TS, the selector app rule, this is the base of the project. This is the template URL of the HTML, and this is the CSS URL, style.ux. And then app component is the class, and your title is Angular component and routing. That is my project name. This is the app component.ts. Now come to the app module.ts. Here in app module.ts, we need to add all the we need to import all the things, all the component we need to import. So all the 10 components actually we have added. So all the 10 components we need to import. Header component, navbar, body, footer, about us, service, product, gallery, help, and contact us. So all the 10 components we need to import. And this is the path actually we need to import from that paths actually. And after that, this is the ng module declaration. We need to add all the component here. Header, navbar, body, all the 10 components we need to add also here. And this is the import browser module, so it can support in the browser, and app routing module, so we can routing. So the routing purpose we need to done using the app routing module. So two modules we need here, browsing module and app routing module. Import two module, and is the provider bootstrap app component, and then app module is the class. So this is the total app module.ts. Okay, and here, okay, just 1 minute. Okay. Now we come to that part. First of all, leave this thing. App routing module.ts. First of all, you need to understand 10 components. So first, about us. Inside the every component we have 4 files. Every component you can see about us 4 file, body 4 file. Every component has 4 files. And inside that file, we have HTML. So here about us works. This is software development company. I am writing something, and then CSS background color I am giving anything. And here is the constructor, and then ng on in void, and implements on init. This is the about us component class, and then we need to implement on init. Here is the implementation section. There is the implementation section file. That's why it is called implements on init. And this is the default constructor, because this constructor does not have any parameter. That's why it is called default constructor. And then this ng on init and void. Void means this is the empty method actually. Okay, so this is the about us component.ts. Now come to the body. Same thing. All the 10 components we need to add the same thing. Then come to then HTML. Body works. Table width we give 100%. Then padding 100 pixel we give. This is body run. Table tag, and then we are just giving the BR tag. just mean break tag. Then we are adding the CSS. Then the TS file same. After that, contact us done inside the heading tag. And this is the paragraph tag, contact us works. Here also we just add some color, one color. So all the things actually same. There is no different. It is also same. We come to the footer section done. CSS we add for the table we add one color. For the H1 class we added one color. The two classes we have added in the footer. And it is same. Okay, so about body contact us footer done. Now come to gallery. Inside the gallery, go to the HTML. Gallery part done, same thing. Gallery works. We added one color. And it is the same. Now come to the header. We are just inside the header. We are using table tag tr and heading tag done. And added the color. And the same. Now come to the help. Help also the same thing. Don't need to you need to add anything. Product and service also same. Now we come to the nav bar. Inside the nav bar, we are giving the router link. What I have told you, routing means from one link to the another link. We are jumping from one link to the another link. That is called routing.
Yeah.
So here we need to give the routing path actually. Table tr and here td means table data.
Yeah.
Here the home. When you in the moment when you open the browse any website, then home is coming. So that is the by default home. This is then router link active. Then nav link. Then class we are taking on class nav link and then home. Okay. Now we are just same thing. We are just copy and paste in the 10 line about us, service, product, gallery, help, and contact us. All the same thing. Router link active. So this is the active link actually. If you give inactive, then the link will not actually work. We need to give active link. Then nav link class and about us, service, product, gallery, help, and contact us. All are the same thing. And this is by default home. The home page of any website. So here table tag and br tag. So this is the nav bar actually. Inside the nav bar, we are adding one color. And nav component.ts is the same thing. So here actually the main thing is this. Inside the HTML tag, we need to give the path actually. Router link. This is the path actually. About us router link. This is the path. Router link. Okay, now next come to the product. Inside the product section done. Then added color. Then it is the same thing. And then last our is service. Service done. We added the color. And then there is the TS file same thing. So this is our total 10 components actually. These are total 10 components, and let me check if anything is missing or not. This is the index.html file, Angular component and routing, the project title, and this is the angular.json. Strict is true, And TS config, this is the validation file in every Angular project. TS config and tsconfig.json is the stick to giving for the validation purpose. হাতে লাগিয়ে দিচ্ছি। আস্তে চুপ ক্লিয়ার হবে, যা কথা বলবে এখানে শুনতে হবে শুনে শুনুন। Okay, now, okay, so it's compiled successfully. Okay, just wait for a minute.
Yeah. I think all data will be fetched.
See, okay, just 1 minute. Stop share the screen.
Okay.
See, in the moment I am just writing the browser localhost 4200, the home page is coming. The home page is coming. Here, just see the header works. This is header section. This is the navbar works, navbar section. Inside the navbar, these are the components. If you see about us, service, product, gallery, help, and contact us. These are the 10 components. In the moment I'm taking the home, it is the body work and it is the footer section done. This is body done. Then we go to the about us. This is global software development company and service done, product done. Within one tab, all the
Yeah.
link will be changed. It's the product, then gallery, then help, then contact us. So this is the total component and this is the routing. From one link to the another link, it will go. This is the routing actually. Okay, now yeah, share this screen. Okay, now give me control. Okay, now this is the SRC app. Okay, we have already node modules. Each node modules. Okay. Okay, now with the all the files is coming now. We need to run. NG. Okay, now go to the browser. Yeah, now write here localhost 4220. Yes, enter. Yes. Now click all the components to check all is perfectly working or not. Yeah, this is home. Contact us. Yes.
What about the component? Where we
Hmm.
create that component and body and all those things?
Yeah, inside that component, there is the four folders .html, .css. Here we can create.
Okay.
We just
Can
create
we
inside
can
the,
we
yeah,
create one demo website like means
okay, demo website for the Angular. Yes, yes, we can do that.
yeah, like that we are creating part one by one. This is the copy the code and paste here. Can we create one or two classes? I mean all those things in this session.
Yeah, 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 definitely.
Yeah, okay.
Mhm. This is the actually home. Yeah, this is the component and routing. Yeah, go to the VS Code and you can see the code here, all the components. Yeah, these are about us, body, contact us, footer, gallery. These are the components. Okay, suppose if you want to add one component, how you can add?
Okay.
Suppose you want to add the partner. Suppose you want to add the partner, another one, a new
Yeah,
component.
okay.
How you can add? Okay, so for that, you need to go to the terminal. Inside the terminal in the down compile where compiled successfully has written. Where compiled successfully has written in the right side down. Yes, down. Right side down. Yes, compiled successfully. Here you need to just type here Control C. Yes. Now here you need to write NGGC partner. Type here. No, it is small, all the small. G is space. Partner. Yes. Now enter. Now see, one part component has been added here. The four files actually create. Yes. Open this. Yes. See, all the four files has been created. One CSS file, HTML file, and component.ts and spec.ts. That's why you can create all the components. Yes, NGGC partner.
Yeah. Yeah. What is the meaning of full form of NGGC part?
G for globally, C for component, and it is the partner. And NG means it is the NG is the library module. Library module of Angular. Pat for yes, partner. Yes. Okay, just 1 minute. I am coming. Yes, okay. Now we have done this Angular component and routing. Next, what we are doing, let me check.
Okay.
Okay, we have done the forms or not?
No,
Angular
not done.
forms, registration form,
No, 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 no.
not done, right? Okay. So there are basically two forms actually. One is reactive form and another is template driven form. There are two types of forms we have.
Okay.
Okay, let me share the screen. Okay, stop sharing. Okay, here one is template driven form. This is, and another is mm, reactive form. This is the
Okay.
reactive form actually. So first of all, we start the template driven form. There are two types of registration form actually. They are in Angular: template driven form and reactive form. So open this folder. Let's delete this routing because we have done it. This is a template driven form and open. Okay, so same thing. If you see all the Angular projects, actually, all the there is same project structure,
Yeah.
same files and same project structure. So here we just need to consider on these 2 3 files. Here, first of all, you go to component.html. This is the basic one kind of registration form.
Yeah. If we are create any project, then automatically that by default that files are
Yeah, yeah.
created, right?
By default, the files are actually has been created.
Okay.
We don't need to create separate files. Or if when you create any Angular project, all the files are automatically has been created. Here, okay. First of all, I am sharing this template driven form. Okay, this one. I need to share this in the WhatsApp. Okay, doing this template driven form. This one, yes. मुझे फॉरेन एम्ब्रॉयडरी Okay, now this is the app component.html. Here actually we are using the ng model. Here actually we are using ng model means this is the structural directive model. We are using structural directive if else. That's why it is the ng model. That means it is a structural directive, and we are referring it to the first name. So here we are using table tag form customer form. One can my form name is customer form, and then ng form, then ng submit add customer. We are using one method that is called add customer. And inside that method, we are creating customer form dot value. That is the customer form actually. My form name is customer form. So it is the first name. Then type text ng model first name equal. Then last name, same thing. Then mobile number. Then email. Then submit here and reset here. Then there are actually two buttons. It is the button submit and reset. Two buttons are there actually. So this is the total HTML form. Now come to the, okay, there is no CSS file. That's fine. Now come to the component.ts. Okay, here actually we don't have node modules. So first of all, you need to add the node modules. Okay, same way npm I, then enter. Okay, so it is installing. Then the same thing is the import. Then component selector, template URL, style URL, same thing. Then add component. This is the my project name, template driven form. And these are the four parameters: first name, last name, mobile number, email. So these parameter actually, this first name should be same with the this first name. ng model equals to first name that I have created in the HTML file. This first name should be same with the in app component.ts. This first name need to be same. Then last name also we need to be same. Then mobile number, then email. These are my four parameters. Then this is the add customer is the method. See, this is the add customer is the method here. The same method is also here. add customer, and then forms value. So we give any value of the form. So that is not the case. It is the add customer is the method. Then we are printing the first name, last name, mobile number, and email. We are printing all the four things. In JavaScript, in Java, we are printing system.out.println, but here in the JavaScript here we are printing in that fashion console.log that I have showed you in the JavaScript. Okay, so here actually ng module, this is the app component, this is the importation all. And in browser module, app routing module, it is common, but here we need to add another module that is called forms module. We need to add one separate module that is called forms module. Because we are, if we don't create the forms module, then the form actually not supported. We cannot submit that form. So we need to add the forms module, and we need to import also that forms module is, and then bootstrap app component. These errors are actually will be gone after the npm install you finish installing. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. And this is the app component dot app module dot ts.
Can you run that program?
Yes, yes, yes. Now I'm running the program.
What is the output? I just
Hmm.
want to see.
Okay, compile successfully. Let's go to the browser. Okay, just 1 minute.
Okay.
See, this is a sort of simple form. Okay, share the screen. Hmm. In the moment I localhost 4200, then this is a simple form, just first name, last, but it is the not, it is not the HTML made by HTML, CSS, JavaScript. This is the Angular form. This is the template driven form. This is the Angular form. First name, last name, mobile number, email, submit, reset. Give the first name, anything. Email if you give anything, then submit and reset. One thing, this is the one simple form of the template driven form. This. Okay, so now we'll share the screen, and I have shared in the groups.
Yeah, I see. Okay, I already saved, I think.
Okay, it is 41%. ওরা বলছে না, বলছে এখনো আসেনি, এখনো আসেনি বলছে, তবে পরের মঙ্গলবারের মধ্যে এসে যাবে। মানে আজকে মঙ্গলবার, মানে বলতে চাইছে 1 সপ্তাহের মধ্যে চলে আসবে, এটাই বলতে চাইছে। তো তাহলে কি করবি না? ওরা 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 বলছে আমরা নিয়ে চলে আসবো, কিন্তু একটু সময় লাগবে আর কি, মানে 1 সপ্তাহ মতো সময় লাগবে, মানে পরে মঙ্গলবার অব্দি ওয়েট করতে হচ্ছে। It has done extracting. Okay. Okay. Now go to the terminal and run the project. No, no need to download. No need to download. Delete this. No, no, not here, not here. Angular project is not running there in that time kind of. Go to terminal. First of all, open new terminal. After run, there are 3 dots. Click on 3 dots and new terminal. Yes. ng serve. Yes. Okay. Yeah.
That here no validation means like that if email ID if not correct at the rate.
Yes, yes. Here actually the validation is not there. Actually. Hmm.
It's like a simple form.
Yeah, yeah. It is just an Angular template even form. If you reset, then all the data will be gone. Hmm.
All the data on the here source. Then where is that all data?
All files
Yeah,
in the
all
app,
files.
all files in the app file.
Source then app. Okay. HTML file.
Yes, yes. This is the HTML file.
The TLZ component. What is this?
No, this file is not required. The next file is we have required. Yeah, this file.
Okay, if we want to create one form like that,
Hmm.
then automatically all those means all those module are automatically created, right?
Yeah, yeah. All the models automatically created, but just we need to add first name, last name, mobile number, and email. These four things we need to add.
Okay.
After the title, it will
Oh,
automatically create it when you create the Angular project.
so where if I add means one more column like citizen, okay, where I can create that
You add what?
means I want to create email. After that, I want to create one column like citizenship. Okay, first name, last
Watch
name,
a
mobile
city.
number, email.
Watch a city. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Just give me control once. Okay. First go to here. Need to copy. The city. Okay. Then we need to take care this. Uh, Then it should be city. Hmm. This is the first module fine. With the HTML, city is fine. Okay. Now, hmm, how it is? Okay, this task we need to end. Hmm.
Yeah.
Hmm. Yeah, the city has been added.
Okay. Means we change in one in HTML file, another is that
Yeah.
in
First in the HTML file, then you go to the component.ts file.
okay.
Hmm. Okay, so template driven form has been done. So next form is reactive form. Reactive form we just do in the next day.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So today we have learned two things. One is template driven form and component and routing.
Component and routing, yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Then
Tomorrow have a class or not?
tomorrow, yes, tomorrow have a class. Yes.
Okay,
Tomorrow is same time 4:30.
okay. 9:30 then we go to, okay.
No, actually after 7 actually there is I go to the outside, that's why
Yeah, okay.